your urgent assignment.
Hindi sila marinig.
Ito po yung sa madaling salita po, yung business namin is yung home service computer shop po. Kunyari po, di ba, hindi naman po nakakailan sa atin ng minsan, nakakalimutan tayo kung saan yung gagawin. Pag nakakalimutan po natin yun, isa po gabi na naalala natin. So ito po yung solusyon sa problema ng ibang estudyante na gano'n po. Parang home service computer shop po. Parang hindi pala paano talaga. You can just call us for a computer set delivery. We promise we can deliver it as soon as possible. Call us 0912724153. Office address, Ipang Arena Telephone. Yung contact number po, yun po yung pinaka-importante sa amin kasi po, naman po kami home service, hindi po namin kailangan ng pinaka-address na pupuntahan. Payments, overnight use, 200 pesos. Regular use, 150 pesos. Delivery fee, capital, 150,000. Every set of computer or expenses will be more or less 15,000. So,
Pang, full point, pang.
refund po, starting the parties, we will add more set as our business gets started. Other offers.
Ipan mo muna.
Other offers. We can deliver the computer set with some stock for additionally paid. Free short tutorials. Sir, isa rin po sa in-offer namin yung
Hindi sila
some
marinig.
stock for additionally paid. Ibig sabihin po, may iba rin po sa amin na nag-cover TV at credit. Pwede po namin magamit yung natutunan namin doon sa pag-prepare ng pagkain. You can enjoy it at home, no need to go outside and rent a computer in some shop. You can just easily wait for our fast delivery to enjoy our services.